Hi, I'm CP Yogavigneshwaran doing PharmD 5th year in Chennai. In this video we will see about prescription and its parts. Let's move into the video. Let's start the session. First we will see the definition of prescription. Define prescription. A prescription is a written order from registered medical practitioner, or a physician, to a pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific medication for the patient.
Next we'll see about what does the prescription includes.
It contains patient details, which is the most important thing in the prescription, so the pharmacist can avoid prescription error. And next is direction for the pharmacist to compound and dispense the drug, and the direction for the patient regarding administration of the drug.
Next we'll move on to parts of prescription. First we'll see what all a prescription contains.
It has date, followed by patient details. Next is superscription followed by Unscription. This part is considered to be the main part of the prescription.
And next is subscription. This part contains directions of the prescriber to the pharmacist. Next followed by signature. This part contains instruction from prescriber to the patient. And followed by renewal instructions and details of the prescriber. Now let's see briefly about the parts of prescription.
We'll start with date. Every prescription must bear the date on which the particular medicines are prescribed. This helps the pharmacist to keep day-to-day patient's record in chronologic order, which helps the pharmacist or a physician to refer the old case in future. And to avoid misuse of the narcotic or other habitat-forming drugs, as the patient may misuse it.
Next is patient details.
The patient's name, age, sex and address must be in the prescription, because the name helps the pharmacist to identify the patient easily.
The age and sex of the patient
is asked to calculate dose according to each individual. In some cases, weight and height of the patient is also required. Address of the patient is recorded to contact the person at the later stage, or to deliver the medication personally.
Next is superscription.
This part of the prescription is represented by the symbol RX, which you can see it in the top right corner of the video.
In the ancient times it is considered as a prayer to Jupiter, god of healing, for the fast recovery of the patient. Nowadays it is used as an abbreviation for the Latin term, take thou, which means, you take. Unscription.
This part is considered as the main part of the prescription. It contains the drug name and quantity of the prescribed ingredients.
The name of each ingredient is written on a sequence along with its quantity. And the inscription is further divided into
base. It contains the active medicament of the therapy.
Adjuvant.
It contains the substances added to increase action of medicament. Vehicle. A substance used to dissolve the medicament, or to increase the volume of preparation. This part of the prescription is called subscription. This part of the prescription contains directions of the prescriber to the pharmacist, regarding the type and compounding of dosage form along with the number of doses to be dispensed. This is important because dose of the drug also depends on the type of dosage form. Signature. This part of the prescription contains directions to the patient regarding the administration of the drugs. It is generally represented as Sig on the prescription. The instruction includes how much quantity to be taken, the frequency of administration, the mode of administration. We came to last part of the prescription. Prescriber details. The signature and register number of the prescriber turns the prescription into legal and authentic order to the pharmacist. This helps in preventing the use of spurious drugs. Register number is of utmost importance in prescription containing narcotic drugs.
And we came to the last part of the video. This is an example of prescription of an registered medical practitioner.
A pharmacist, after receiving the prescription, should check all the criteria of the prescription, and then to start dispensing the drug. If any doubt in the prescription, the pharmacist has to confirm with prescriber via any mode of contact. After that the drug can be dispensed. I thank Academic Decipher for conducting this national level video making competition. I had good experience as this is the first time I've participated in a video creating competition. I thank my guide for showing a way for this competition, and my hearty wishes for all my fellow participants. Thank you.